Today we are going to modify this KTM Duke 250 to fit her seat height. She is 5'1". We are going to cut the seat, reduce the suspension and also drop test the bike. Moving on to the first destination, that is JC Road. For my first step, I have reached Fiza Seat Cover Shop. This is in JC Road again. I explained the owner as to what exactly I want to do on the bike and what goal we want to achieve here. After a good discussion, we decided to remove the seat and then go to the next process and we'll start off from there.
ये सॉफ्ट है ना और थोड़ा सॉफ्ट अगर आपके पास मटेरियल.
So what we are trying to do is try to make it a little short, the seat height, so she can fit into it, right? Probably 1 or 2 inch we can try to make it short. Seat guys, कौन सा मटेरियल का है ये? कुछ पता है आपको?
ये रबर आइटम
हार्ड है ना ये बहुत सीट?
ये
ये हार्ड है. आपका सीट सॉफ्ट होता है क्या?
ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆತ ಕಾಲು ಎಟ್ಕುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಡಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಸೀಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? 2 ಇಂಚ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಏನಾ 2 ಇಂಚ್?
ಒಂದು 2 ಇಂಚ್ ಇದೆ
ಅಲ್ವಾ? Remember guys, for all the efforts we have taken, the only goal is to make her sit on this bike comfortably with no problem at all. Now towards the end of the video, remember you also have to see the drop test of this bike. Stay tuned for that. The chopping part is done. Literally, I was so excited to see if our hard work is, made it a success. So now you can see the difference. We have done almost 50% of the work here just by reducing the seat height. Now, if you see that, I believe that slightly our work is got some kind of results. After checking the height difference, it was now time to add the cushioning layer to the seat. Now that makes a big difference, guys. Compared to the stock seat that the stock bike had, this foam setup was much more pleasure to the bike rider and the bike.
ಒಂದು 40 kg ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂಥರ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೀಗ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿ
ಕವರ್ ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಈಗ ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಲ್ವಾ ಅವತ್ತು ಪುರಾಣ ಕವರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಪಿನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್.
I was almost reaching the last part of the process, that is to fit the cover on the seat, and then we are almost done. The seat was completely packed now, but the only worry that I still had was, after all these efforts, will this effort pay off? Will I get a good result, or will this money that I spent is even feasible for what we are going to achieve now? ಬೆಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಂ, ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? Good. It's up to the most lowest setting here, so which means it is in the softer side, which means when you sit on it, it's going to go down. We have reduced the seat height, we have lowered the suspension. My next task was an HTRX mods BTM. The most concerning thing that I had was the bike falling. So since she's a beginner, I decided to add some crash guards on the bike. What better option do I have from the Moto? Moto is one of the leading brand, plus it is affordable. After purchasing the crash guard, we directly entered the workshop, which was just next to the shop. After all our planning, effort, everything that I could do to lower this bike, it was time for the result. And yes guys, it did work. Our hard work finally paid off, and now it was time for a drop test. Finally, as planned, everything turned out to be great in my favor. The drop test was one of the best things I did. Now that I know, even if the bike falls, it won't break.